Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Info by Sajid, and I am your host Sajid Habib Gill. Dear audience, in this episode I will let you know people that how you can write abstract for your research paper, for your research proposal. I will also explain to you people that what are the major features, what are the major characteristics, as well as what are the major attributes for writing an abstract. Even though I will also let you know people that how you people can make your abstract more interesting to catch the reader's attention. In this regard, let me introduce myself again to you people. I am your host Sajid Habib Gill. I am a PhD scholar, and up to now I have published 7 different research papers in well-reputed international journals. So in this regard, let's start today's video.
So, writing an abstract. The agenda is as what is an abstract, what are the major features of abstract, how to write an abstract, what are the different components of abstract. So, what is an abstract? Whenever you are going to write a project report, a research paper, or your final year project, or a proposal report, even you are going to present your work in a conference, you have to write an abstract. The abstract should be the best part of the paper because it's the summary of your entire article. It's the most frequently read part of an article after the title. So just put all the efforts on this part because readers will decide that whether they are going to read rest of the paper or not. Features of an abstract. The first feature is that it should reflect all the major section, and this section contains 4 different subsections that are mentioned below, like introduction, material and methods, results and discussion, and conclusion. The abstract should reflect all these major features. The second feature of your abstract is conciseness of abstract. Your abstract should be concise enough and its word limit should not exceed 250 words. Should be self-contained, that means there will be no extra information should be required to understand the paper. Abstract is written last. Next, we are going to discuss about the key components of an abstract. There are 5 key components. The first one is introduction. That is, what is the motivation for your work, why your research is important, what is the significance of your research, and how it will create an impact. This should be explained in maximum 1 to 2 lines. The second component is problem statement or objective. Here you have to talk first about the research gap, that is also known as problem statement. Clearly define your objectives, that how your research is going to fill that research gap which is defined in the problem statement. Once again, define this stuff in 1 to 2 lines. The third component is the approach or procedure. The key component is methodology, that how you are going to achieve your objective. Don't explain step by step procedure here. Only give overview, otherwise you will exceed the words limit. The fourth component is results and discussion. You need to include key results only, no supporting information required here. That will be the part of your main paper. For complete details about introduction, methodology, results and discussion, you people can watch my previous video, how to write a research paper. The fifth component is conclusion. Here you have to mention the broader implication of your study, that how this will add a research value in research field. Just stick to the point and share genuine facts only. It's not complicated process at all.
That's all from my side. I hope this video will be beneficial for you people. Please like, share and comment if you people have any query in this regard. Thank you very much.